Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a VW Passat B6 door handle. First, let's identify the common problems you might encounter, such as a handle that's loose or completely non-functional. Next, gather your essential tools, including screwdrivers, trim removal tools, and the replacement handle itself. Always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection, and ensure the vehicle is stable before you begin any work. This preparation ensures a smooth repair process. Now let's get started by carefully removing the door panel. Begin by locating and unscrewing all visible screws, often found behind trim caps or in the armrest. Use a plastic trim removal tool to gently pry off the door panel, working your way around the edges. Once loose, disconnect any electrical connectors, like those for window switches or speakers. This grants you full access to the internal door handle assembly, which is crucial for the next step. With the door panel off, you can now focus on replacing the handle. Carefully detach the old handle by unhooking any rods or cables connected to it and unscrewing its mounting bolts. Once the old handle is out, position the new one, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the mounting holes. Secure it with the bolts, then reattach all the linkages and electrical connectors. Double-check that everything is firmly in place before proceeding to reassembly. Finally, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully reconnect all electrical components to the door panel, then align the panel with the door frame and gently push it back into place. Reinsert all the screws and reattach any trim pieces you removed earlier. Once the panel is secure, thoroughly test the new door handle multiple times to ensure it operates smoothly and latches correctly. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, plus other great deals you won't want to miss. Your Passat's door handle should now be working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.